what's up? Welcome back. Today, so we just got back from California and I have this leftover half sandwich from Cafe Gratitude. I forget what it is, mushrooms or something like that. And then Babe made these sushi at work. So this is supposed to look like tuna. The rice is falling apart. But so it's the tuna on here. It's really good though. It's like marinated. Marinated tomatoes. And then this is eggplant. It would just go on top of the rice, but I'm just going to eat it by itself. Well, with the rice because I don't want to form the little sushis. Oh, and this is like some sweet sauce, I think. It goes like a drizzle on it. So, it is Saturday. We went to California Wednesday through Friday. It was really fun. Wednesday we went to Huntington Beach for a little bit. Then we went to Harvey's. Hi Harvey, hi honey. He cooked us a really amazing vegan dinner. And then and I posted that smoothie video that he made over there after dinner. And then Thursday we went to Disneyland all day. It was super fun. It was such a beautiful day outside. The lines weren't too bad at all. We went on Guardians of the Galaxy. Only a 30-minute wait there, which is really good. So, maybe you've seen around though on like Instagram and stuff. I forget what the company is, but they make sushi like this with tomato. They sell them in like Whole Foods and some other places in California. Ocean Hugger, something like that, yeah. So it's really good. I mean, it doesn't taste like tuna, but how could it, right? It's good though. Tomato, marinated. So Friday before we left, we went to K-Town and ate, and then we went to Venice Beach, but it was pretty windy and like overcast. And then we came back home, but we had like a couple of issues coming home. It took us a while, but we made it anyway. And today, Camille and I just went to go see the Easter Bunny. It was an hour wait, but it's like we were in Disneyland lines again, basically. But like, so it was our turn next after one couple. So there was one family in front of us, then us, and this lady behind us. She was like, excuse me, like this is right before the other family was going to go in, and then it would have been our turn, and then it would have been the person behind us turn, right? She said, excuse me. I was like, yeah. And she was like, oh, we are in front of you. And I was like, what? No. And then she was, yeah, we were in front of you before. And I was like, no, you weren't. And then she was like, okay. So we went inside, and then I was talking to Camille, and I was like, was she in front of us? I was like, we've been behind the same family for the last hour. And when we got in line, there was nobody even lining up behind us for like 20 minutes. I was pissed, and I was like, why? First of all, I saw your husband get in line later on. And second of all, if that were the case, then why wouldn't you have just said something like fucking 40 minutes ago or whatever, right? Like, not right before we're gonna go in. Like, what is that? And you're right behind us, so just relax. She was so stupid. So, anyway, Camille and I came home. The picture's really cute. You know, like normally when parents go see like the Easter Bunny or Santa or whoever, like they'll take the professional photo and then you can like snap pictures with your phone or whatever. They had a sign there that said they couldn't take any photos with your phone because the Easter Bunny was under contract or something. Whatever. Do you guys like eggplant? It's good. And this is sushi rice that Babe made and brought home. Cali Cat has in trouble. I don't know if this is good still. Cali Cat. She was lonely. We didn't get to take her to California with us this time, but hi, baby. Say hi. There she is. Hi, baby. You know, I try to feed her like human food and see if she'll eat it, like whatever. She doesn't go for it. But I was like making Camille a sandwich one day, a tofurkey sandwich, and Callie was like, and she totally ate some of it. She loves it. She wants to be vegan. I don't know. When we came home, I went into the bathroom down here where Callie's litter box is. And you know, sometimes she like sits on the toilet and she goes like this on the toilet paper roll. So I went in there, the whole roll was on the floor. She had played with it all the way down. Silly girl. I really don't know what I should do today. Probably nothing. Can you hear her? She's destroying things. Like my chairs. But that's fine. We'll get new ones. I don't really like this. I'm done. Okay, so I haven't done the Fat Burger mukbang taste test yet, obviously. I will. Mm. Disneyland was just like so fun on Thursday, but it's so freaking expensive. It's like crazy. Okay. I'm full for now. I know I haven't filmed for a long time, but yeah. Hi, Kelly. Hopefully I will more. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. But okay. Bye. Thanks for watching.